Good morning, YouTube. Today we're gonna modify my trailer.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan and we are at Adam's house. So, yeah, you guys know Adam. Yeah, he is gracious enough to let me store my trailer here. Actually, my Ferrari's here too. So like, half of my possessions are at Adam's house right now.
And possession is 9/10 of the law.
Good news is I actually trust him. Maybe I shouldn't. We're gonna do a bunch of stuff to this trailer to make it a little bit more usable. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna mount that winch right there. We're gonna mount it up front. We also have a bunch of lights to add, and then I wanna add some rubberized flooring. So if we get those three things today, I think we're doing pretty darn good. So Adam's just pulled up a spare so that we can get the rubberized floor underneath the spare tire. First thing we're gonna do is install a camera that faces out the back of the car, or out the trailer, I should say. We're gonna mount it right up here on the very tail end of the trailer, just like right here somewhere. That way I can actually see what's behind the trailer. It'll make it nicer for when you're passing people, you can actually tell that you actually passed them, and of course when you're backing up so that you don't actually smash into something. Because I have seen it happen many, many times. And I don't want to be that guy.
A few moments later.
Well, we haven't even gotten the camera mounted and we already screwed up. Which is how I expected it to go. So, there's the hole for the camera, and as you can see, these wires ran directly behind the hole. So we ended up cutting that wire accidentally. No big deal, just gotta repair it. And then I'm actually gonna get these wires out of the way. I got like some mounting stuff, so we'll use that, get it cleaned up. All right, we got a little grommet in the hole. Now we gotta get the camera mounted, so. Oh, upside down. There we go, it'll be like that. Ooh, spifastic. Well, of course nothing goes right. So I went to screw in the screw and it literally just sheared right in half. Yay, thanks cheap China crap. Ta-da, check it out, we got the camera connected. All right, so we've got that side getting close. This side we just laid down. We have to cut the rubber mat, and I was just cutting it and the stupid knife broke. Of course, so, you know, such is life. But we're getting there. We're coming along slowly. Okay, what do you think? So we got the rubberized mat all the way down. So we laid it below the tracks. So it actually looks pretty darn sweet. Looks pretty cool, huh? Yeah. I'm digging it, I'm digging it.
Eventually.
All right, got the winch installed. This is some cool shit. Check this out. Got the battery, got the winch. There we go. Yep, freeloader. All right. Let it rip. Sweet. That is so sweet. Whew. All right, got first set of lights up. I haven't wired them completely, but you can see nice LED strips. 3 sets of them. Now I just gotta get the other ones. Well, here we go. Got lights, and check it out, they are wired into the switch. So this is how much light it produces just with the LEDs that we installed. So pretty solid. I'm actually very pleased with this. This will do quite nicely. I am happy. I think that's all we got today. So we got the camera basically set up, got the winch, the rubber mats, the LED lights. That was kind of what I wanted to get. So the reason I'm doing this is because I have to transport that gated Ferrari F430 that I auctioned off on my website. So I'm driving it all the way to California this week. So it's just kind of like, oh, better get the trailer ready. So we did. Yeah, anyway, huge thanks, Adam. Adam, thank you.
You're welcome, Dan.
So very nice. Oh, good. Just checking that the lights still work. Yeah. Okay, cool. That's gonna do it for this video. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We got more stuff coming your way.
It's gonna be sweet!
Oop, good morning, YouTube. Hold on. This video is not quite over because, well, as it seems to go with everything I do, nothing goes according to plan. So I thought I was going to be transporting that F430 on Wednesday of this week, and then it got pushed out until Monday of the following week, and then the deal fell through entirely. So, yeah, I'm not transporting anything, and I did all that work on the trailer. I need to do it at some point, but I guess I didn't have to do it yet. I guess we'll keep working on my garage because it's naked right now still, and I do have a few things I'm going to be working on soon, so obviously going to continue working on the 5.9. I have headers for my 4.58. Yes, we're going to be putting in some headers. I hate doing headers, but we're going to do those. Yeah, my plans just keep getting tossed right out the window. How was your Thanksgiving? Was it good? I hope so. I hope you ate a lot of turkey. Yeah, and enjoyed social distancing from your family. That probably makes it actually better in some cases. By the way, this is my typical workday view behind my chair. Yes, there is a lazy dog. That's a good boy, Mo. Yeah, good boy. All right, well, I just thought I should tell you because I know people are gonna be like, where's the video for delivering the car and what happened with the F430 and blah blah blah. So yeah, the deal fell through. Frustrating. Okay, well, anyway, we got more car stuff coming your way. Stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet.